mainly in the one corner of our basement. We had water coming in, and it started not too long after we built the house. Then I tried to alleviate the problem myself over the years. I didn't have much luck. The first thing I did was I tried to grade the earth back away so the water wouldn't come up to hit the foundation, and it worked for a short time. And then it returned back and it came in. You know, I put up with that for a while, and then I dug a trench behind the house, and I actually put a French drain in. And I thought, well, that might do it, and it did. It worked for a few years, and then we're back to the water coming in, and I've just got tired of it. And I talked to, like I say, I talked to a fellow I work with, and he said, give Baker's a call. We had this work done with Baker's in 2000. So that was 20 years that we put up with that. We had Brian Baker come out, and he sat down and he talked with Betsy and I. They did everything that they said. They did it in the time limit that they said. They cleaned everything up, and I have a lifetime warranty. I have it in writing that I'll never get any water in my basement. So there's, you know, and if I sell my house, it's transferred to the next person for 25 years after that. So I mean, how can you go wrong? You know, if you're having problems, get it done.